Now we're going to be taking a look at a very important feature, content maps, or also called content plans. Essentially, when you need a multiple pieces of content with different subject matter, for instance, like a blog, you are going to want to create a bunch of different blog posts with different topics targeting different keywords. Same with press releases. You're not going to release a press release every month or every 3 months just repeating the same exact news. You might want to post something unique or different every time with your GMB posts, social media posts, and this is where content maps come into play as opposed to something like a GBP description where you'll most likely need to generate it once, maybe another time in the future, but you're not going to need to make a bunch of GBP descriptions for this location with a bunch of different topics and headings and so on. So to create your content maps, you just go to your location, navigate to location. We're going to use our Mr. Plumber example here, and you can click on the content map you want to use. I'll click on blog posts, and it's just going to pop up and say content map queued. Now this is going to take just a little bit to generate, so if it does take a moment, depends on, of course, on your API and how much you're using it, but once it finally does generate, we will see the content map pop up down here as well as be displayed. 1 second as we just wait for it to generate, and then we will go and take a look and see about generating the content for the blog posts that are within the content map.